Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Sniawbhalang Dhar and Assam Minister Atul Bora held a high-level meeting in Guwahati this Saturday to de-escalate tensions following the 19th August violence in Shillong and the subsequent disruption of vehicular movement between the two states. The meeting was attended by Atul Bora-led Assam team comprising of senior officials from the Assam government, while Sniawbhalang Dhar was accompanied by senior Meghalaya officials. Speaking to the media, Dhar expressed regret over the 19 August incident and assured that strong action would be taken against those involved. He said a special investigation team has been constituted, 5 masked persons have been identified so far, and 15 FIRs have been registered. Dhar also confirmed the arrest of 3 senior KSU leaders under the Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Act. The discussions focused on restoring normal movement of people and vehicles, with both sides agreeing to facilitate the safe return of stranded passengers and vehicles and strengthen interstate coordination. The two governments also agreed to set up joint mechanisms to address border-related issues and regulate tourist transport with the aim of preventing further escalation and ensuring safe movement along the Shillong-Guwahati corridor.
Yes, government of Meghalaya has sincerely regretted the unfortunate incidents of 19 August 2026 in Shillong and are sure to take strong actions against those who are involved. Arrest of the KSU leaders. The government of Meghalaya apprised the meeting that the President, the Vice President, and the General Secretary of the Khasi Student Union have been arrested by invoking the Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Acts. 3. FIR registered. The government of Meghalaya informed that 15 FIR have been registered so far in connection with the incidents of 19 August 2026. Identifications of the miscreants. 5 masked persons have so far been identified as being involved in the incidents of 19 August 2026, particularly in the attacks on the Assam registered vehicle. Constitution of the Special Investigation Team. The government of Meghalaya informed that a special investigation team has been constituted to identify all the miscreants involved in the violence in Shillong, particularly those responsible for the attacks on Assam registered vehicle, and to ensure that prosecutions in accordance with the law. Self-movement of Assam registered vehicles. More than 3,720 Assam registered vehicles have already been safely escorted out of Meghalaya into Assam so far. Distress call and evacuations. The Assam Control Room has received 54 distress calls involving 175 persons who are being assisted in evacuations, and these include 22 private vehicles and 5 tourist vehicles. And the government of Meghalaya informed that its control room has received 379 distress calls so far and steps taken to assist them for their safe transit. The government of Meghalaya reiterated that the state government shall take responsibility for the safety and security of all tourists and vehicles traveling from Assam and other part of the country into Meghalaya during their stay and movement within the state of Meghalaya.
So, sir,
it is very well has been done by the ministry, so I'm very thankful to our police team, and we have acted very promptly, and even the involved leader has been arrested. And also today, after the third discussion, so we have formed a special investigation team, so to identify all the mistakes who are involved in this incident. Has assigned this team to our chief secretary. He will examine the matter. We will compensate it as per law. And for the people who are those injured, we will contribute to government. After I have read even the joint statement after the decision of the meeting of the outcome today, hopefully I think in a very short time, so under the advice of the chief minister and all our officials from both the government, I think normalcy should return back very soon. To bring normalcy, you know very well, and it's my request personally. Both Assam and Meghalaya, we are like a brother and sister. Especially the 2 cities, the 2 states, we are living like a brother and sister. Yes, maybe there is some lapses, there is some here and there, whatever may be. our duty as a government. We work very hard and we work very unitedly under the advice of both the Chief Minister. And that is the purpose of this meeting, to bring normalcy. So we request you also, and I request the people of Meghalaya and people of Assam, let us be cool and calm so that normalcy will return back in few hours.